As a worker in tech, you must know what it's like to deal with an overwhelming amount of information. Thankfully, Notion AI is here to help. As an engineer, your day-to-day tasks may involve digging into complex processes or hunting for specific code samples. In the past, this could be a daunting task, requiring you to sift through piles of documents or disturb a colleague who's already swamped with work. But with Notion AI, you can find what you're looking for in seconds. Just click on the sparkles at the bottom right of your workspace. To achieve the same thing, you could also hit the search bar and select Ask AI. All you have to do is ask your question, just as if you were speaking to a teammate. The AI, equipped with the ability to search your entire workspace, will provide you with an answer and even link you to the relevant Notion pages for reference. It's like having a personal assistant that knows exactly where to find what you need. Now, let's say you're part of the product team. Your role might involve writing technical docs. Whether you're drafting an initial concept or writing a brief, starting from scratch can be intimidating. Notion AI can help with your content needs. In this case, let's ask for help to expand on the implementation points the product manager already jotted down. Lovely! Here are other things you could ask AI to do to a piece of text. All of these options are there to help you quickly produce quality content, one that you can choose to keep as is, or simply use as inspiration. Finally, suppose you're in design and you're looking at this user research database containing all interviews with users. Each interview contains valuable insights, but it can be challenging and time-consuming to read through each one and extract key points. With AI Autofill, you can significantly streamline this process. Just add a new property to your database and select AI Summary. Then hit Try on this view. Click on your newly created column's title to wrap the column, adjust its borders if you wish, and now you have neat summaries of every customer interview for anyone perusing this database. Your design team can then use these summarized insights to inform their design decisions, ensuring that the end product truly meets the needs and expectations of the users. No matter your role in tech, Notion AI can significantly enhance your productivity and creativity. By providing instant answers, generating or improving content, and summarizing databases, it allows you to focus more on the core tasks at hand. Try it out today and see the difference it can make in your work.